Ever published an article on your website and you wondered what's next? Getting your audience back to your website is an uphill task. SEO takes time, and Facebook is not reliable. We solve this exact problem at iZoo2 using web push notifications. 1,100 publishers use iZoo2 to send over 50 billion notifications every month to get them back on their website. We have now put together all our learnings and best practices in this push notification marketing kit. Here's what you get: a guide that explains how web push notifications work, benchmark on opt-in rates and CTRs, and examples on how to use them to drive more repeat traffic. A 10-step guide to help you create the perfect push notification campaign. You get everything from how to write the perfect copy to timing the notifications right. And the last one, 10 push notifications templates that you would definitely want to steal. So go ahead and download your kit now.